Intrigued by the mystery of how some creators seem to skyrocket their views and subscribers overnight? Today, we're going to unravel this conundrum together, providing a step-by-step guide on how to make your YouTube channel go viral. First step on this journey to virality is understanding the importance of content. Content is king, as the saying goes. The key is to find a unique angle, something that makes your channel stand out from the crowd. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging, and original content that resonates with viewers. Remember, people are more likely to share something that touched them, made them laugh, or taught them something new. Next, think about your channel's SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how your channel and videos get found. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure to also include a detailed channel description and links to your social media platforms. This not only helps YouTube's algorithm understand what your channel is about, but also increases your visibility. Now, let's move on to the importance of consistency. Consistency is your best friend when it comes to growing a YouTube channel. Stick to a regular posting schedule and maintain a consistent theme or style. This helps build an audience who knows what to expect and when to expect it. Promotion is another essential step. Share your videos on other social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your viewers through comments and live chats. Remember, YouTube is a community, and building relationships with your viewers and other creators can go a long way. Last but certainly not least, always be patient and persistent. Virality doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and a lot of hard work. Keep refining your content, learn from your analytics, and don't get discouraged by slow growth. To summarize, making a YouTube channel go viral involves creating engaging, high-quality content, optimizing your channel for SEO, maintaining consistency, promoting your videos, and staying patient and persistent. It's not a guaranteed recipe for success, but these steps can certainly increase your chances of hitting that viral sweet spot. So the next time you find yourself pondering the secret sauce of virality, remember these steps and keep working at it. After all, the journey to virality is a marathon,